Hello everyone. Today from the platform of Sri Mahavir Marwadi High School we are going to discuss about the phrases. You are having many more kind of activities related with the phrases. First of all, you all should know what is phrase. Phrase is actually a group of words which form a grammatical unit. What do you mean by grammatical unit? Actually, group of words forms a sentence, and a sentence contains articles, parts of speech, noun, pronoun, many more segments are there in a sentence. Now, a separate unit, grammatical unit which has its own separate meaning is actually phrase. Now my dear friends, phrase is depend upon its head word. Means grammatical unit is there, but some word is there which is principal word of that grammatical unit, according to which we can classify the phrase into noun phrase, pronoun phrase, adverb phrase, verb phrase, many more kind of phrases. Here we are going to discuss about mainly 6 types of phrases which will you see into your textbooks. So what is phrase? Phrase is a grammatical unit which has its own meaning and it is a part of a sentence. So grammatical unit has its own principal word according to which we will decide its type, whether it is noun phrase, whether it is adjective phrase, whether it is pronoun phrase. So that central word is known as head word of the phrase, and this head word is, if noun, then we say it noun phrase, and its example is a man, a book, such kind of words where the principle is noun. So you know very well all the parts of speech, and when a principal word is noun, then it is known as noun phrase. When principal word is pronoun, head word means the head word is pronoun, then it is known as pronoun phrase. Pronoun phrase. This is all of us, lucky you, you all. Sometimes we say hello everyone, such kind of word which shows the pronoun. These are pronoun phrases, and you know all of us, lucky you are, such kind of words we use in our day-to-day life, but we do not know that it is a kind of a phrase and which is pronoun phrase. In the similar way, if head word is adjective, the phrase is known as adjective phrase, and examples are quite difficult, too good. We say it is too good, it is too good to wear, it is too good to see, and it is quite difficult to speak, it is quite difficult to learn. We want to say difficult, and more than difficult we use quite difficult. Such kind of word, quite difficult, which is an adjective. So the group of word quite difficult is a group of word. This is known as adjective phrase. In the similar way, if the head word is adverb which specifies the verb, we say the phrase as adverb phrase. Just like quickly, very seriously, we say please take this disease very seriously. We are taking want to speak seriously, and we are adding a word very seriously. So quickly, do the fast, do any work fast, run fast. So, such kind of group of words are phrases and its kind is adverb phrase. Similarly, if the head word is preposition, its kind is known as prepositional phrase, and it is examples are about that, include, afterwards. Preposition, where the head word is any preposition, then it is indicating the group of word, the grammatical unit is there, is preposition phrase. And the last one is here verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Very easily now you can say if the head word is verb, then it is known as verb phrase. Running on floor, run better, flowing water, such kind of group of words where the head word is verb, it is known as verb phrases. So my dear friends, now you can identify the phrases. What are phrases? Phrases are group of words, a separate grammatical unit which has its own meaning, and we use in our day-to-day life, in our listening, speaking, reading English, we use such kind of phrases. So I hope now you can understand what is phrase and how you can use it. They come together. These group always come together and have some more effective meaning in the sentences. So now please try to complete your activities related with the phrases, and first of all you should try to identify which kind of phrases they are. Thereafter try to use into your own word by getting their own meanings. Thank you. Have a nice day.